How does an idea become a custom textile you can hold? It starts with a vision and a process built to realize it. Every product begins with your idea. We listen to the market, to trends, and to the needs your feedback reveals.
So we don't just follow trends, we anticipate needs. My job starts with a question: what is missing? We met the entire market and studied the whole market deeply, from Etsy, Amazon to personalizational platform, social media, etc. To know the trending better and figure out whether our product's right or not, so we can help our customer to grow their business. We are not just about making what's already out there. To us, it's about defining what should be.
Your specific requirements, dimensions, material, budget, are captured in detail. This conversation shapes everything.
Our best product ideas often come straight from our customers. A client will say, "I wish this had a different pocket," or "Can this be made in a heavier fabric?" That's good for us. We are not just taking orders, we are having collaborative conversations. We document every detail of that feedback and brings it directly to our product development team. You are essentially co-creating with us.
Our workshop brings your idea to life. First as precise drawings, then as the first tangible sample.
We won't move forward until the sample passes all the required tests. We will scrutinize all the details relentlessly, so you don't have to worry about it.
We put it in the hands of our entire team. Discuss, trial, and find ways to make it even more durable and consistent. This shared understanding fuels our next step. We transform the product into a complete visual story. Ready-made graphics and engaging videos. We don't deliver just a product. We deliver a sales-ready package, all of it, shared with you to launch faster and sell easier. With your final approval, the real craft begins. This is where ideas become reality, at scale. Powered by precision automation and hands that have spent a lifetime in the craft. This is our formula for speed without compromise. Our own 1,000 square meter factory floor, 20 plus skilled artisans, and a full lineup of 30 plus specialized machines. This is how we transform your ambition into thousands of perfect pieces, on schedule. We bring this same care to a full spectrum of materials, from the natural feel of linen to the waterproof protection and leather feel of poly PU, the cozy, inviting comfort of charpy, the rustic charm of burlap, the unbeatable value of economic polyester. Each material is a new canvas for your unique idea. This is our promise. You think, we make. We take your idea, craft it into something tangible, memorable, and uniquely yours, all the way to your door. Share your idea with us.
LOPO, make life memorable.